Hello and welcome to Symetri's YouTube series Naviate Power and Process for Plant 3D Tips and Tricks. My name is Joachim, and in this video I will show you how to use the Naviate Ortho update. Here on the right side in the Naviate toolbar we have the Auto Process section. We have two buttons to use, and the first one is called Select Orthos. And when we press this button, a dialog window will appear, and if it's the first time you use this command in the project, you will be asked to create an XML file for this project. Press Yes. In this window, we have the opportunity to search for specific drawing or all drawings that have a certain name. This makes it easy in a large project to filter out all the drawings you want to update. If the window is empty, press the Search Project button to refresh the list. Now select all the drawings you want to update. You also have the opportunity to select Force Update on all viewports on each drawing or not. If you press Save, you can then exit the window and get back into it again, and you can see that all the selections are restored for you. When you feel that you are ready to update, make sure all the drawings are closed and press the Save and Process DVGs. This will start the auto update script. When the process is done, you can open the auto update tool again, and you can now see that all the drawings are completed. This is also good if you do this overnight and when you come back in the morning and there have been a computer error, or for example the PC has restarted in the middle of the process. You then have the opportunity to check the process of all the completed drawing and continue from the last updated drawing. The second button is called Update Views on Current Drawing. This is almost the same function as if you were going to update all viewports on a drawing from the project tree, as shown here. The improved Naviate function here is that you do not need to say yes or no every time the dialog window drawing is up to date appear. You will instead have the opportunity when starting this command to select yes or no to force update all viewports or not at the same time. Thank you very much for watching, and remember to subscribe for future tips and tricks videos from Naviate Power and Process.